You looking at a 2021 GMC Yukon Denali 4x4? The Yukon runs and drives smooth and quiet. There are no accidents recorded on the history report. The exterior and interior are clean. The tires are 22-inch Bridgestone Alenzas, and they are in good shape. This GMC has a 6.2-liter V8 engine, 10-speed automatic transmission, magnetic ride control, trailering equipment. Safety features include safety alert seat, forward collision alert, lane change alert with side blind zone alert, lane keep assist, rear cross traffic alert, rear pedestrian alert, front pedestrian braking, follow distance indicator. Features include Denali Premium Package, Advanced Technology Package, Dual Pane Sunroof, leather seating. Front row seats are power adjustable, heated and ventilated. Second row captain's chairs are heated. Third row is bench seating that power folds. Heads-up display, 10.2-inch touchscreen infotainment with Bluetooth, Sirius XM satellite radio, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and Onstar, Bose Premium Audio with 14 speakers. Adaptive cruise control with heated steering wheel, power adjustable, steering column, driver's pedals and side mirrors with memory settings for separate drivers, high-definition vision for a 360-degree parking assistant, HD rear view mirror monitor, power retractable running boards with perimeter activation, tri-zone climate control, power rear lift gate, wireless charging, remote start with keyless entry. Your family will love riding in this luxurious SUV, and you will have the peace of mind with all the latest safety features.